So we're back. And now we get to move forward with this giveaway engine. Last week, we got some goodies. We got the oil pump, the time machine component kit. And I already have this one open, so yeah, we got two because we have other projects going on at the same time. So, JP Performance time machine kit comes complete with a good set of instructions for you to read. But we've done this once or twice, so we'll just get to it and get it installed. Is it working, Nick?
It's recording.
It's recording. Is it working?
Good thing it's looking at you.
Is the puller working? Yeah.
Well, you know, if you wouldn't lose your tools.
Wow, now it's my fault. Wow. This is the type of stuff I have to deal with every day. By the way, if you didn't know, this is a blooper. Show me the way, son.
I don't want to be in this. I don't think this one's going to work. I don't think this is entirely too weak. But it's worth a try.
That's what she said.
Not to you.
Oh. I'm really not going to show you guys this. You don't have to move that. It's not going to fall.
Why won't it work?
It's falling in my face. See, if I do this.
He doesn't want to show you, but he didn't know this would work. Add this to a blooper.
No, you know, now that it's. How about.
It doesn't want to pass the torch, dude. I'm going to use this as a microphone.
Motherfucker.
Rigo, why do you have two coats on?
We figured out a way to make this work. Not really what I wanted to show you guys. But there is a tool. You always want to use the 2-jaw pull.
It's 2-jaw. It's like half minutes.
Not exactly what I wanted to show you guys again.
It's the right tool for the job. Because it works.
Choose not to show them this part.
What? They
Alright, I'll
need to
show
know
you guys.
the shortcuts.
So. Yeah, that's no. No.
Why?
Perfect. Alright, take 100. We finally got the jig to work so that we can get this lower timing sprocket pulled off. Normally I use Gear Wrench's jaw puller. It's a 3-jaw puller that clips in. You only put 2 of them. Works great. But this time, we're going to be using this contraption that this guy said worked great. And yeah, by the way, chrome socket on an impact gun. It worked. So, just to show you guys, outward roll, and let's work on the new. So now that we have JP Performance's timing set, let's work on installing the new one. Worked out pretty good. So if you notice, whenever you get one of these kits, it has a bunch of numbers on the front of it. That is so you can either advance or retard the timing if you're doing cam degree. But for this instance, we're just gonna put it on 0. That way, essentially, it'll be just dot to dot like if it was factory. And just like that, pushes in on its own. You don't need to tap it. You don't need to do anything else. Now you put your chain or your cam sprocket. Make sure that your dot is going to be facing down so that it meets the crank sprocket. Then you come down and line it all up. Now I already have bolts that I already put Loctite on, so come. Start one. You always want to start it by hand. You just double check, make sure you're lined up. So far so good. Again, make sure you start them by hand. You don't want to cross ferrule. Alright, now we got that in there, drive them in slow. Now you can torque them. Cam gear sprocket, you want to torque down to 25 foot-pounds. And it's done. Now look at that, guys. Nice and tight, no play. Ready to go. And that's kind of what you're looking for. You get rid of all that slack. You don't want to put a good cam in an old setup. You always want to make sure you change upper and lower sprockets. A lot of people I see that don't change the lower, and you have a lot of wear on that bottom sprocket. Just go that extra 2 steps, take it off, put the new one on, and you'll be in a lot better shape. Now we're moving to the oil pump. We like to use the Melling 10295. Now look at that. The good thing about this sound component kit, it does come with the pump drive gear. It literally just slides over the snout, and then you can slide your oil pump on, and you're good to go. Now that we got the oil pump installed, we can actually start bolting it down. As you can see, I'm not too enthusiastic today. It is cold, and quite frankly, I'm not in the mood today because we cannot get a lot of things done. I really wish I could make more progress on this thing, but I guess we'll just have to do what we got. Now we can torque down the oil pump. Again, 25 foot-pounds. Now there's the engine all complete with its timing components and the oil pump. Again, we will be sending the heads off to the machine shop. But I mean, look at this thing. It's already coming together. Slowly but surely, we'll get this thing to where we need it to get to and get it completed so we can put it on the stand and hear it run. And unfortunately, that was a short video, but we got to get back to work. It is cold out here. We're trying to stay out of the weather. We got to make some headway on this thing. And we also got to get more parts to get this giveaway going.
Y'all got to start buying some more.
The other thing is we still have to send the heads off to the machine shop. Yeah, the reason they're going is we got to mill them down. We got to accommodate for the camshaft, big cam. I'll be giving out the specs next time on the other video once we get the heads back from the machine shop so that you guys can see and understand why we had to get them milled down.
Gotta get that compression number up.
High compression means bigger numbers, means more power. You can make a little 5.3, put some power down to the ground. So keep that in mind. What do you think? Maybe next weekend, next video we'll paint it?
Sounds good. We got the black here already up on the shelf over there.
And we decided it is gonna be black with the pink
Splatter. Splatter.
splatter. Spear fingers. I like to call it spear fingers.
You guys didn't oppose to it.
Nobody said anything, so we're running with it. And again, make sure you comment below what it is you guys want to see us do, and make sure you go to our website, www.rtph63.com. Get those entries in, and make sure, even if it's a small keychain, just get in it.
It's up to you to make this build awesome.
I mean, at the end of the day, if you really want it to look like something else, it could be supercharged, just like this one on the stand. It could. Potentially.
I'm telling you, I'll enter if you guys don't start entering.
We might as well just give it away between the fam. I'll see you guys next time.